Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about Raleigh's method of dimensional analysis. Some example problems. Before that, what is Raleigh's method? This method is used for determining the expression for a variable which depends upon maximum 3 or 4 variables only. If the number of independent variables becomes more than 4, then it is very difficult to find the expression for the dependent variable. Let x is a variable which depends on x1, x2, x3 variables. Then according to Raleigh's method, x is the function of x1, x2, x3, and mathematically we can write that is x is a function of x1, x2, x3. This can also written as like k times, because it's a function, k times x1 power a, x2 power b, and x3 power c, where k is a constant, and a, b, c are arbitrary powers. Regarding this method, let us do one example problem to understand this concept clear. The time period t of a pendulum depends upon the length L of the pendulum and acceleration due to gravity g. Derive an expression for time period. Here, there is time period t is a function of L and g. The time period function of L and gravity g. Therefore, we can write t, time period t is equal to k times L power a g power b, where k is a constant. Then substituting the dimension on both sides, time period t power 1 equal k times L power a, g is L into t power minus 2 power b. Equating the powers of MLT, equating the powers of MLT on both sides. Here M is not available and L and T only. Then 1 equal T, comparing T, 1 equal minus 2b. Since here, look at here, left hand side T is 1 and right hand side T is power is minus 2b. And from this we can say b is minus half, and power, this is power t expressed, then power of L is this side power, left hand side power, there is no L, therefore 0 equal L is here a, L power a L power B, then which is equal 0 equal L power 0 equal to A plus B here. A plus B, because L is here, L is here A, L is B. Then now from this we can say A is minus B. So B is half. What is A now? A is minus of minus half. That is half. So we got A and B. Then substitute the equation, that is T equal K times first T equal K times LA B GB LA G power B, which is equal, therefore T equal K times L. A is half and G power minus half. A is half, G is minus half. G power is minus half. Therefore, T equal K times root of L by G. Therefore, we got T equal to K times L by G. The value of K is determined from the experiment. The value of K in this concept is described by an experiment. That is K equal to 2 pi. Therefore, time period of simple pendulum T equal 2 pi root L by G. Then next question, find the expression for the power P developed by a pump when P depends upon the head H, the discharge Q, and specific weight W of the fluid. Here this power P, the power P is a function of function of H, Q, and W. Therefore, P equal K times H power A, discharge Q power B, and specific gravity for C. Then equating, we are introducing MLT, system for power. Power is here, power MLT system dimension is ML square T power minus 3, which is equal K times L h is what? H is a head, so it is length L power A. Q is L cube power divided by minus, that is meter cube per second, that is L cube per time, and W, that is m L power minus 2 e power minus 2 power C. Now equating the powers of MLT on both sides, we get, look at here, first M is here 1, so M is 1, here M is power C, 1 equal to C, then which gives C equal to 1. Second L, or L is, left side is 2, L is 2, here L is A plus 3B, and here minus 2C, minus 2C. Here A is for the power equating. From this we can say A plus 3B minus 2C minus 2 equal 2, which gives further A plus 3B equal to 4. Or A2 equal A plus 3B minus 2C, then A equal 2 minus 3B, this gives 2 minus 3, and equating the power T, here T is minus 3 equal here T is minus 3 is minus B and minus 2C, minus B minus 2C. Now we got three equations, three unknowns, then minus 3 equal to minus B minus 2C, which gives B equal 3 minus 2C, which is equal 3 minus C is already 1, C is 1 means 2, C is 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore, B equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1. What is A? Now, this therefore one more, that we have A plus 3B equal to 4. A, we need A plus 3B, that is 3 into 1 is 3 equal 4, which gives A equal to 1. So we got A equal to 1, B equal to 1, and C equal to 1. Here all are 1, 1. Now applying this power values in that expression, P is K times H power A Q power B and W power C, that is power equal K times H. H is 1, A is 1, that is H power 1. Q is Q power 1, B is 1, and W power 1. Therefore power, we can say K times HQ W. Therefore power is, the formula is K is some constant, head and discharge multiplied density of water, specific gravity of water. This is a power formula we derived. So far we discussed about some problem regarding, by using Raleigh's method, we derived some formulas. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.